The mug was just the beginning. Well, show, tai, more. Show, tai, karansnok. Aye. Show, tai, more, agus karansnok. Karan, kinda, karansnok. Agus show, kacht. Show kacht. Show kacht. Okay. Kacht agus tai more. Okay. Well. Ha. An gacht. More. Oha. Ha. An gacht. Glevor. Glevor. Oh, come on now. Oh, and even after I built it up dramatically, let's do that again. Rewind. Ha an gacht. Glevor. 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 More, I guess, glevor. 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 Actually, that could be better. Give you a chance to let that process mentally. Glevor. That's another aspect of making your Gaelic more natural, of thinking more in Gaelic, is to give your brain a rest so it has time to sort everything, process, do its work, let it do its thing. Let it do its work. So taking breaks is really, really important. It'll help you learn more, ironically. It sounds silly, but taking breaks will help you learn more. Okay. Teacher time over, coming back to our story. It's getting dramatic. Kacht glevor. Show kacht glevor. Kacht glevor. Glevor. Kacht glevor. Well. Okay, maha. Okay, maha. Okay, maha. Okay, maha. Okay, maha. Okay, maha. I'm going to say this all the time. Okay, maha. Okay then. Or, all right then. Well, okay, maha. Kacht glevor. Okay, maha. Show, kacht glevor. Glevor. Well, ha, an gacht glevor. Ed, and they. Hi, ed and they. You wouldn't believe I majored in art in university. That's my minor. Oh, hadn't gacht snok. Hadn't gacht snok. Ha-e, it is, right? Ha-e snok. Ha-e snok. Well, yep, sure. Too many legs there. Okay, could you? Oh, geez. There we go. That's a bit better. Nah, it looked better before. Caillou. Anyway. You get the idea. Ha cacht glevor. Ha cacht glevor. Ante. And this is a good reminder to, sometimes you don't need to mess with something, like to edit it and fix it so much. Sometimes it makes it worse. I liked how it was before when I drew it, That's life for you. That's life for you. Sometimes it's best to just do something and, let it be. Nice reminder. A nice reminder. You get some Gaelic and philosophy in my lessons. Okay, gleva. Show, cacht glevor. Agus ha an gacht glevor ed ante. Ha cacht glevor ed ante vor. Bullet points. Ha cacht glevor ante vor. Ha an cacht mór agus ha ante mór agus ha an gacht glevor ante vor. Ante vor. Quick time out. This is still more. It just looks a little different. Same here. Oh, I need an accent mark. This M-H-O-R, still more, but it's a little different because of the grammar. Don't worry too much about that. I'll explain that later. All right. Ha cacht glevor ante vor. Okay, maha. Okay, maha. Gleva. Avel. Lama. Ante vor. Genial. Lama. Ante vor. Ha cacht glevor ante vor. Ha. Avel Stegosaurus, the dinosaur. Avel Stegosaurus ante Genial. Na bigorach. Genial. Stegosaurus ante ha cacht glevor ante vor. Oha. Ha e follashach. Genial Stegosaurus ante Genial T-Rex ante Genial Hippopotamus ante Chanel aardvark een tij. Chanel. Aardvark. Ja. Oh, aardvark een tij voor. Ja. Chanel. Chanel. Ha kacht glevoor een tij. Ha follesach. Well, vel kangaroo een tij. Chanel. Na bigorach. Kangaroo tij moor. Chanel. Na bigorach. Ha kacht glevoor een tij voor. Shinne. Shinne. Ha kacht glevoor een tij. Agus show een gacht glevoor. Show een tij. Shin kacht glevoor. Agus shin tij moor. Shinne. Gleva. Well, show isk. A fish. Isk. Isk. Show isk. He's in kind of a strange bowl. There we go. Nothing wrong with being a little strange, though. Nice to be strange. Well, I mean, you're learning Gaelic from a guy from Maine. From a Mainer. That's pretty cool. With long hair, nonetheless. Long hair and a torque. All right. Isk. Shin isk. Avel anchiesk. Avel an chiask mór nó big. A bhfuil an chiask mór nó big. Mór? Big? Caran. Caran mór. Caran mór. Caran mór. Caran. Caran mór. Caran, kind of, right? Kind of. Caran mór. Caran mór. Caran mór. Ha an chiask. Caran mór. Ha. Óha. Óha. A bhfuil an chiask glévór. Chaniel. 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 Chaniel é. Chaniel é glévór. Ha an chiask caran mór. Caran mór. Okay, ma ha. A bhfuil an chiask blasta. Óha. Caran mór agus blasta. Ha iasc mór. Oh, iasc caran mór. Iasc caran mór agus blasta. Ounce. 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 And they. Ha iasc caran mór agus blasta. Ounce. And they. Ounce. Oh, that's kind of hard to see. If it's kind of hard for me to see, I'm sure it's kind of hard for you to see. Ounce. In the. Ounce. 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 Just to have one over here. Might be easier to see over here. Oh, come on now. Come on, Bond. There we go. Ounce. Ha iasc ounce. Ounce and they. Óha. Ha iasc caran mór agus blasta. Ounce and they. Ha an chiask. Ounce and they vor. Ha. Óha. Te mór cacht glévór agus iasc blasta. Maybe you see where this is going. Well, ha an gacht glévór. Egiri. Egiri. Egiri, like wanting something. Oh, I want it, I want it. Maybe like a kid. Oh, please, can I have it? Please, I want it. You know, egiri. Egiari. Agiari means wants, wanting. Ha an gacht glevor. Ed an dei vor. Ha an gacht egiari. Egiari an eishk. Egiari an eishk. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ha an gacht glevor. Egiari an eishk. Hai egiari an eishk. Ha an gacht egiari. Egiari an eishk. Oha. 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 Ha an gacht egiari an eishk. Hai egiari an eishk. And if you're wondering to yourself, wait a minute, it was like this before, now it looks like this, it's grammar. Just a grammar change. It's still isk, ishk, still isk, still isk. Yeah. The main thing is that you understand the overall phrase, and understanding why will come later, once you're familiar with what this means. Then it'll be more meaningful to you, because you'll recognize it. And then you'll say, wait a minute, why does it do that? Oh, this is why. And then you'll understand it on a deeper level. But first things first, just try to understand this. Watch this video as many times as you want. You know, get these words stuck in your mind a bit more. And then worry about why they do certain things. Gaelic grammar is quite interesting. But first step, the first things first. Just understand. Understand what's happening. Understand a bunch of Gaelic before you analyze it. That's my recommendation. You'll save yourself a lot of sanity, believe me. Okay, maha, gleva, gleva.